Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video of Meeting with Franco. Today we're going to talk about the perfect pizza setup. I'm going to show you where I leave my stuff. I'm going to show you where I position my fantastic Ooni Koda, even my Ooni Karu, and you won't believe it. It's absolutely fantastic because thanks to the Ooni Modular table that I'm going to show you in a bit, you will see that everything is perfectly organized, that everything is handy, and you don't have to go crazy just to run around the house just because maybe in the middle of pizza baking or a pizza party, maybe you forgot where is the turning peel, or maybe you forgot where is the 16 inches peel because all of a sudden you decided that you want to create a larger than expected pizza. Don't worry, I've got it all sorted for you. I'm going to show you first of all the unboxing of the fantastic Ooni Modular table, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. It's surprisingly easy to assemble it, and I'm going to show you the perfect pizza setup because thanks to the Ooni Modular table, you can have obviously your Ooni Koda on top. There is also space for the gas tank. For your cylinder. There is a space for your pizza peels, both the turning peel and also the big one, the 16 inches peel. And if you have an Ooni Karu like myself, there is also some space in the bottom rack for the Ooni Karu. So you have everything handy, you don't have to find any other space. And the Ooni Modular table is actually perfect for the Ooni pizza topping station as well, because as you can see from this video, it fits perfectly. Before we'll proceed with the assembling of the Ooni Modular table, I want you to leave a comment. What is your perfect pizza setup? How you position your pizza? Where do you cook your pizza? If you cook your pizza maybe inside the house or in your garden. How do you organize your setup? Where do you position your toppings? Where do you put your Ooni Karu or your Ooni Koda, your fantastic Ooni oven? And where do you position your peels? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram. You can find me there as Meeting with Franco. Exclusive content every day. Welcome to my garden. I'm going to show you the unboxing of this fantastic modular table large. For the details on the size of the modular table large and medium, please go to ooni.com. Let's start opening the box. Let's have a look at the content of the box. You can find two ridged shelves, 4 casters, 2 of which have the locks, which prevent your Ooni Modular table from moving. There you go, there's another caster. And then you have 4 corner brackets, which have to be facing inwards. There's another caster in here. This is the second one which has the lock on it. Last caster. The instructions of the modular table large with the dimensions printed on it, and your fixing kit. I'm removing the ridged shelves from the box, and then on the bottom you can see 4 legs and the hook accessory to which you can hook your fantastic Ooni pizza peel, the turning peel and the 16 inches one. 2 shelf frames, and last but not least you have the fantastic stainless steel top with the Ooni symbol engraved on it. Let's start assembling the Ooni Modular table by putting the shelf frames on the ground. And let's start attaching the 4 legs to it. In this video I'm going a little bit faster, but I'm showing you that it's super easy, and I'm using a driller with the attachment of a screwdriver, which is helping me in the process to go a little bit faster. That's it, the legs are attached now. We can continue by flipping the table over, just like this, and we can start tightening the screws which are attached on the shelf frames. Like this. It's now time to attach the 4 corner brackets, and as I said already, they have to be facing inwards. In the meantime, in the background, you can see my two fantastic dogs, which are having fun in the garden and they are enjoying the sunshine. And they're keeping me company as well. That's it. The corner brackets are in position. Now is the time to attach the four casters, and it's actually really simple to attach them. You just have to screw them because they have a screw already. You just have to turn it into the pre-made hole. Job done. It was incredibly easy. After screwing in the three hooks which are going to hold my Ooni pizza peels, I'm tightening the final screws, and that's it. Our fantastic Ooni modular table is finally finished and assembled completely with the beautiful stainless steel top. Just take a look at it, how beautiful this is, how spacious this is. It's perfect for your Ooni Koda, for your Ooni Karu. Take a look at the shelves. You have plenty of space. And the hooks are just really fantastic. They can hold all your pizza peels easily. As promised at the beginning of the video, I want to show you my perfect pizza setup with the Ooni accessories. After I screwed in the hooks to the modular table, I want to show you that it's super easy to attach the pizza peels. And also my Ooni Koda 16. The review of this super powerful oven, it's coming soon in another video. What's another benefit of this fantastic Ooni modular table large? Simple. Its size can fit perfectly the Ooni pizza topping station as well. And now I can finally show you my ideal pizza setup with the Ooni accessories. You can see the Ooni Koda 16 on the top. You can see the two pizza peels at the bottom inside the hooks. And you can see the gas tanker which has space at the bottom. And also my Ooni Karu 12. Yes, this is so spacious that it can accommodate everything that you can possibly need. It's fantastic, isn't it? And now that you saw my fantastic and my ideal pizza setup with the Ooni accessories and the Ooni ovens, I want to see yours. I want you to leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, hitting the red button just below. I've been noticing that the majority of the people who are watching my video, are enjoying my video, are actually not subscribed to my channel. You would make me a really big favor if you subscribe to my channel. That would give me the motivation to produce more videos. If you want, you can also follow me on Instagram. You can find me there as Kneading with Franco. Loads and loads of fantastic content, of exclusive content is coming on Instagram platform just for you every day. See you in the next video and enjoy your Ooni ovens.